In this video, we're going to take a look at how we can draw a box plot. A box plot is a diagram that represents the 5-point summary of a set of data. Within the box plot, it has 5 lines: the lowest value, the highest value, the lower quartile, the median, and the upper quartile. The middle 3 lines are joined to create a box. The lowest value joins with the lower quartile, and the upper quartile joins with the highest value. In some cases, a box plot will be called a box and whisker diagram, where we have the box that represents the middle 50% of the data, and our whiskers, which are the highest and lowest values, and sometimes an indicator of whether we've got outliers or not. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So with this 5-point summary, I have a lowest value of 1, a highest value of 5, a lower quartile of 3, and a median of 4, and an upper quartile which is the same value as the highest value. Connecting the lower quartile with the upper quartile and the lowest value with the lower quartile, this is what my box plot would look like in this case, where the upper quartile and the highest point have exactly the same value.